Tuesday. Well, the day has come and hubby and I are almost at the beach. Much needed vacation. I cannot wait to share it with you. I hope you all are doing well and we will see you on the beach. Hotel here in Pensacola. It is a beautiful room. We've stayed here before and love it. But this was, at that time, it was Margaritaville. So excuse me, hello. This is my travel outfit. But as you enter the room, I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. This is this massive mirror here. Here's our luggage. We couldn't do anything with it. I was trying to do a quick room tour before we unpacked. But as you come in, this is the little console table and you have your ice thing, you have your water. And then this beautiful picture right here, and I love this lamp. But this is a foyer of the room. And then leading into the bedroom is this window with the blinds. It's so cute. We love this. This is why we choose this hotel. So you can close this off or you can keep it open, and you see hubby over there at the window. And then here is our bathroom. This is so nice. So here you have the cute shell lamps. You have your hair dryer, the towels, plenty of those. Plenty. A nice mirror here. Nice shower. Babe, do you remember this shower being this big? I love this.
Seems like it's bigger.
It does seem like it. This shower may be larger because this used to be Margaritaville when we came back years ago. But this is so nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it could be like 4 people in here. Yeah. And then the commode here, and then the ocean type artwork, which I love. Then another shell light. All right, and leading here is our bedroom. And look at this wall here. It's like an ocean mural on the wall. It's really nice. All right, and then here is our bedroom, or not even a room. This is a hotel. This is not a suite. So, but this is massive. So here's the other side of the window here with the blinds. And here is our bed. This is a king or queen? King size bed. And then here on this side, we have the safe. Is that the robes? Was that an extra pillow up here? And then we have our bench. And this is just the other side of this is another room. But yeah, that's, you know how that is in most hotels. Then we have our TV and the little dresser here, which we never use, but we may use it this time. This is nice. And then our refrigerator, which is what we need. We need to go get some water. And we have a chair and the table, and then the 2 nightstands right here. Nice lamps. And our telephone, and then our office desk. Masterpiece right here. We have to have a balcony in our room. So we're on the second to the top floor. Is that right? Second to top floor. So we're on the 6th floor. Oh, can we get out of here? They got us locked in. Oh, this? Okay. The lock right there. All right, y'all, you ready? And here we are in our room here. And look at this, y'all. Beautiful. Look at our view. Oh, I love it. Hubby and I are looking forward to sitting out here tonight. I brought a candle. Honey, we done forgot to bring a darn lighter and some matches, and the lady downstairs said they didn't have it. So, oh well. But y'all, look at this view. Look at this water. Is it not beautiful? We cannot wait. We got here a little later, but hey, it was well worth it. We had some stops to make, and we had to get some beach chairs because we totally forgot to get those at the store. But look, it doesn't look like it's a busy day at the beach, but we love this. We love this. This is totally God's creation, and we are so happy to be here and enjoy it. But this is it, guys. So we're going to get unpacked, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye.